Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about the new Telegram airdrop that you can go ahead and farm. So this airdrop is Agent 301 or Agent 301. Now if you are not farming this airdrop, you can use my sign up referral link in the description. Now I'm not sure how much you would be getting additional tokens if you use my referral link, but I think you should be getting 5000 additional AP tokens. Now AP tokens are native tokens of Agent 301 and I will be exactly showing you how you can go ahead and farm them. So the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your BitGet wallet. So as you can see, they are giving some additional AP if you go ahead and sign up on BitGet and follow BitGet on Twitter and then connecting any TON wallet. But I would advise is connecting a BitGet wallet because there are a lot of active campaigns and tasks that you can complete on BitGet wallet in order to earn some additional airdrops, and apart from that, rewards in TON and USDT. Now as you can see, if you go ahead and make a transaction on BitGet wallet or any TON wallet, you would be getting 25 additional tickets, and I will show you exactly how you can go ahead and use these tickets. Now apart from getting 25 tickets, if you go ahead and check the task, as you can see, if you make any transaction, you would be getting 100,000 AP additional. And you can go ahead and complete this simple task in order to get additional AP tokens. So if you go to home screen, you would be able to find your AP tokens over here. And if you want to get some additional AP tokens, you can go ahead and click on boost and you can purchase them with Telegram stars. Now to be honest, I am not going ahead and purchasing them, but it's up to you. If you want to go ahead and purchase, you can go ahead and purchase using your stars. And apart from that, there are leaderboard. Now if you want to become a king, and if you go ahead and click on this become a king, as you can see, again you will need to go ahead and purchase this king in Agent 301 for a certain amount of stars. So in this case, if you pay 250 stars, then you would become a king. And once you go ahead and collect enough tickets, so you get tickets daily, and apart from that, you can also go ahead and invite your friends in order to get some additional tickets. Now you can spin this wheel daily in order to earn rewards in AP as well as TON coin, not coin. So the biggest reward is this one, 4 TON. And to be honest, I still haven't managed to get any TON or not. Maybe in the future I will get some of these. So this is how you can go ahead and farm the Agent 301 airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.